Here is my next tip for beginners. Tools matter. Get the tools. You need a good scanning software to start with. If you don't have a good scanning software, you'll find it very difficult to become profitable. You need to have a tools scanning software which allows you to scan for stocks. All traders scan for stocks. They create watch lists, they scan. The second thing, whenever you're selecting a software, select a software which is commonly used by most traders. If you try and select some exotic software and you don't know how to use it, then you're just going to make your learning curve very different and difficult. Once you get a software, make sure that you can operate that software yourself. You should be able to write your own scan. You should be able to make changes to your scan, because in order to learn to become profitable, you have to experiment with scans. You have to experiment with various kinds of sorting. And if you don't know how to use a software, you are dependent on somebody else to give you a scan, somebody else to fix your scan. Do you think you're going to make it? And the answer is you may think, but you're not going to make it. Okay. So first and foremost, get a good tool. You cannot become a chef if you don't have a sharp knife. So I am surprised by how many people who approach me and say, I don't have a software. Do you think I'll be able to trade? Means the very fact that you're asking a question tells me everything that you're not serious about trading. Get a software which you can use. If you don't know how to use it, find training programs for it. I used TC2000 as a software, and I have been using it for many years since I started. I went and attended courses by TC2000. I did multiple courses. I went on their help site. I know how to use that software. So if the market condition change, or if I have a new idea for setup, I can quickly make changes. A lot of people are using free software. Free softwares have very limited capabilities, or they are using software which they don't know how to do it. If you're one of those person, first, before you start making money, invest your time and effort in learning how to use the software. This is very critical. If you do not have the right kind of tools, it's very difficult to become profitable.